Hey guys, Will King here from My Cotton Homes. Thanks for tuning in with us today. I want to take a few minutes this afternoon to show everyone out there what a 3D model is and how that can really make an impact in the quality of your home. We're now proud to offer these to all of our customers, and wow, what a difference it makes. Let's take a look at it real fast. Alright guys, this is what our 3D models look like when you open the file up here. We like to be able to share these with our customers so they can pull it up on their iPad or their desktop computer and just take a look around their house and the way all the elevations will actually look. This software gives you the ability to, or this viewer gives you the ability to zoom out. You can take the house, look at it from the top, look at it from the bottom, spin it all the way around. So this is a good one to look at because it has a lot of roof lines on it. And so it gives even our framers a good look at how this roof line should be framed, and it gives the customers a real look at just how the whole house will look from the road and how the elevations actually appear to the eye, just more than the two-dimensional look that you get from a PDF house plan. One neat thing too about this is it actually gives you the ability to zoom inside the house nice and easy, and you can zoom in here to where we're actually standing in the kitchen of this house. Then you can go up and down or left and right, and so here you're looking at the kitchen window and then her two sets of French doors here. Then we can turn in a circle, take a look at her pantry. More importantly than that, it actually gives us the ability to take a good look at how the framing components all go together. It's during this phase that we take a good look at all the loads on this structure, the roof loads, and how those can be transferred down all the way to your foundation. So our structural beams are sized during this phase, the trusses, the floor system, even the header sizes. If you notice on this one, all the headers are still all just the same size, but it's during this we actually engineer and make a schedule. So during construction, they're all sized appropriately, and that's important because it's never good to oversize components just for the sake of oversizing them. Because when you talk about a header and an exterior wall, the bigger the space or the bigger the header is, that's just less insulation in that wall cavity. So it actually goes against the efficiency of your house. So we try to really pay attention to those to save you money and also save the efficiency of your house. Another neat part of this one was locating all the plumbing components. This house has got 2 hot water heaters, and because we're spray foaming it, the attic is actually encapsulated in the same temperature as the house for the most part. So we're actually able to locate 2 hot water heaters in this house on both ends to split the house. But by using the 3D, we were able to work with the plumber early on, pre-construction, to locate them here in the attic. We actually have one on this wall right here, and then there'll be one located on this wall. Same thing with the HVAC. We were able to take this and give it to our guys that do our HVAC design work, and they can actually size all the duct work, and we can ensure that we have the space needed in between the floors, into the floor trusses, to allow the HVAC to service the first floor. So all of these things, it just takes a little bit of time and planning, but it just makes for such a better project by doing these 3Ds. So we're really excited to get to offer these to all of our customers now. We have a good relationship with CHG Building Components, and we're able to put these things together and really deliver a nice product. And it's amazing the changes that happen after we give this to a customer, because they can actually get a good feel for what their house will look like. And believe it or not, it saves a lot of money because there's a lot of things that we catch on the 3D that the plans might not necessarily be accurately depict when it comes to window sizes, roof lines, and so it eliminates having to make changes on the fly during construction and just not being satisfied with everything. So it's a great tool for us, a great tool for our customer, a great tool for our framers, our subcontractors. It's something that we now do on every house that we frame. So I was actually showing this program to a good friend of mine who built his house a few years ago, and after showing it to him, his immediate response was, "Man, I wish I would have had that on my house because we ended up spending so much money fixing things along the way that was just unnecessary." So they got me thinking that, I really need to put this out here for everybody to see so they can understand the thought process that goes into our builds early on in the process. And it's time spent for us, but it just delivers a solid product that people are just very happy with in the end, the way it all goes together. So anyway, guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this little video and getting to take a look around this house. If you have any questions, please just reach out to us on Facebook or Instagram or our website, or you can just send us an email. And if you have any questions or concerns, just please don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you.